I am Evelyn Canyaveral of Lemery, Batangas, Philippines, and an active member of the MMM community. This is my dashboard. I provided the help of 5,703.14 US dollars with the following schedules like November 14, 2015 of 2,170 and it became $2,961.81 to date. November 29, 2015 of $760 and it became 161.33 US dollars to date. December 12, 2015 of 300 US dollars and it became 350 US dollars to date. December 19, 2015 of $500 and it became 530 US dollars to date. December 28, 2015 of $300. January 5, 2016 of $700 that form part of my provided help of 5,703.14 US dollars, which gave me $190 per day. This is my dashboard, and I have requested the help of $760 yesterday. Actually, this is just this morning for our Philippine time GMT +8, and the order was created today also of January 28, 2016 through Fabiola Bocho, a global participant, which sent me the payment at 1 o'clock and 18 today. I'm very thankful to have MMN in my life, and thank you very much to everyone who participated in this mutual aid community. Together we change the world.